The vitality of a man, the core of his virility, often hinges on a microscopic detail, his sperm count. This seemingly small factor plays a colossal role in male fertility. It's a common misconception that fertility is a simple, guaranteed aspect of being a man. In reality, the number of those little swimmers can make or break the dream of parenthood. Sperm count is not just about quantity, it's about the quality and motility of those microscopic entities. Picture a marathon where the fastest, strongest, and most resilient wins the race. That's the quest of the sperm. Now imagine if the number of races dwindles, the chances of reaching the finish line reduce significantly, right? Sadly, we're seeing a rising trend of low sperm count in men across the globe. It's an issue that many brush off, but its implications are far-reaching, affecting not only individuals but also families and societies at large. Low sperm count stands as a silent yet growing epidemic, but fear not, for there are effective ways to prevent it. The first line of defense against low sperm count is a balanced diet. Now that might sound simple, but let's delve a bit deeper. A balanced diet is one that's rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. These food groups are the building blocks of a healthy body and, by extension, healthy sperm. Fruits and veggies are packed with antioxidants, which battle the damaging effects of free radicals on your cells, including sperm. Lean proteins, on the other hand, provide the essential amino acids that your body needs to function properly, including the production of sperm. So, what specific foods should you incorporate into your diet? Well, citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, dark leafy greens and almonds are known to boost sperm count. Foods rich in zinc like seafood and poultry also play a crucial role in sperm production. Remember, you are what you eat. A healthy diet equates to a healthy sperm count. So, make wise food choices and your swimmers will thank you for it. Physical fitness isn't just about looking good, it's about a healthy sperm count too. Now let's get into the science a bit. Regular exercise, particularly moderate to vigorous physical activity, can do wonders for your overall health. It improves heart health, reduces stress, and yes, it can boost your testosterone levels too. You see, testosterone is the hormone that plays a key role in the production of sperm. More testosterone generally means more sperm. So, lacing up those trainers and heading out for a run, hitting the gym, or even just taking a brisk walk in the park can all contribute to maintaining a healthy sperm count. But remember, like all good things, it's all about balance. Excessive, strenuous exercise can actually have the opposite effect, reducing testosterone levels and hence your sperm count. So, in the quest for a healthy sperm count, moderation is key. So, stay active and keep your sperm count high. Heat is the enemy of the male reproductive system. Indeed, gentlemen, it's not just a saying. Prolonged exposure to heat can be a stealthy foe to your sperm count. Imagine it like this: your little swimmers prefer a chill pool over a hot tub. The science backs it up. Heat can negatively impact sperm production and even lead to DNA damage in sperm. That's why the testicles are outside the body, nature's own cooling system. So how can you avoid unnecessary heat exposure? First, limit your time in hot environments like saunas and hot tubs. If your job involves high heat exposure, try to take frequent breaks in cooler areas. And while we all love a good laptop session on the couch, remember that the heat from the device can also be a problem. So keep cool to keep your sperm count up. After all, your future mini-me's are counting on you. Alcohol and drugs are not friends of your sperm count. They're more like unwanted party guests, crashing the scene and causing chaos. You see, alcohol can lead to a decrease in testosterone levels, the very hormone that plays a key role in sperm production. The more you drink, the more you risk lowering your sperm count. Now let's talk about drugs. Whether it's recreational or prescribed, certain drugs can lead to a similar predicament. They can interfere with the body's natural hormone balance, potentially leading to a reduction in sperm count or even infertility. It's a bit like a domino effect. One small change can cause a whole line of issues. So, what's the solution? Moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. A glass of wine or a pint of beer here and there won't hurt, but excessive drinking can. As for drugs, avoidance is the best policy. So moderation in alcohol and avoidance of drugs can preserve your sperm count. Regular checkups are pivotal for maintaining a healthy sperm count. Now you might be wondering, why are checkups so important? Well, they allow healthcare professionals to identify and address any potential health issues that could negatively impact your sperm count. Regular checkups aren't just for the flu or a minor ailment. They're also for ensuring that everything's running smoothly under the hood, so to speak. They can help detect conditions like varicocele, infections, or hormonal imbalances that could be affecting your fertility. Early detection and treatment can make a world of difference. Moreover, your doctor can provide you with personalized advice and recommendations based on your overall health. They might suggest lifestyle changes, medical treatments, or even nutritional supplements to help boost your sperm count. Remember, your health is a journey, not a destination. Regular checkups are like pit stops, ensuring you're in good shape to continue the race, so keep up with your doctor's appointments to keep your sperm count healthy. Stress is a silent killer, even for your sperm count. It's like a stealthy predator, creeping into every aspect of your life, disrupting your body's equilibrium, and yes, even impacting your ability to conceive. Chronic stress, in particular, can be especially detrimental. It triggers the release of hormones like cortisol, which can interfere with other hormones that play a key role in sperm production. Think of your body as a finely tuned orchestra, and stress as an off-key instrument. It creates discord, throwing everything out of balance. But don't let this scare you, because there are ways to manage stress effectively. You could try mindfulness exercises or yoga, maybe go for a run, or perhaps just enjoy a good book. You could even consider professional help, such as therapy or counseling. It's all about finding what works for you. Remember, it's not about eliminating stress completely, but managing it. So keep your stress levels in check to maintain a healthy sperm count. Tight clothing can be a squeeze too far for your sperm count. It's a common sight, isn't it? Men in skinny jeans or tight cycling shorts. But did you know that such fashion choices could be affecting your fertility? It's all down to temperature. The testes are outside the body for a reason, you see. They need to be a few degrees cooler than the rest of your body to produce healthy sperm. When you wear tight clothing, you increase the temperature in your scrotal area. This heat is not your sperm's best friend. Continued exposure to high temperatures can lead to a decrease in sperm count and even damage the quality of the sperm produced. So what's the solution? Well, it's a simple one. Opt for looser clothing, particularly in the trouser department. Trade in those skinny jeans for something with a bit more room. It's a small change, but it could make a big difference. So, loosen up your wardrobe to protect your sperm count. Good sleep isn't just for your brain, it's for your sperm count too. It's no secret that a good night's sleep is essential for overall health, but did you know it's also crucial for maintaining a healthy sperm count? Here's the science bit. Your body, while you're catching those Z's, is busy regulating a complex symphony of hormones. One of these is testosterone, a key player in sperm production. Without enough sleep, this hormonal balance can be thrown off. The result? A potential decrease in sperm count. And it's not just about quantity, but quality too. Sleep deprivation may also affect the motility and shape of your sperm, both vital aspects for fertility. In short, skipping on sleep doesn't just leave you groggy and irritable the next day, it could also be compromising your fertility. So whether you're an early bird or a night owl, make sure you're getting those 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. So prioritize sleep to safeguard your sperm count. Preventing low sperm count is not an insurmountable challenge, it's about lifestyle choices. Let's take a moment to recap the 8 ways we've discussed. First, it's all about a balanced diet. Nourish your body with the right nutrients and it will thank you in return. Second, regular exercise, get moving, stay active, and your body will maintain its optimal functioning. Third, avoiding heat exposure. Keep your nether regions cool for optimal sperm production. Fourth, limiting alcohol and avoiding drugs. These substances can wreak havoc on your body, including your sperm count. Fifth, regular checkups. A routine medical examination can nip potential problems in the bud. Sixth, limiting stress. A calm mind leads to a healthy body. Seventh, avoiding tight clothing. Let your sperm production thrive in a comfortable environment. And last but not least, eighth, adequate sleep. Rest is crucial for your body to rejuvenate and maintain its balance. Remember, your sperm count is a reflection of your overall health. Prioritize your well-being and your fertility will thank you.